Hi, it's Bruce Carson with the Keenan Group with Keller Realty on the Central Coast. I'm reaching out to you today to talk about 6 things that you can do to upgrade your home and make it not only more pleasant for you to live in now during the pandemic, but also more appealing to the buyers out there in the market. Step number 1 is upgrade your backyard, your outdoor living space. You see this house just has a few little upgrades out here, little deck area, little place to hang out for the dogs, and just nice and quiet. So this is a nice tranquil place to come and relax. So that's number 1, is your outdoor living space. Okay, so we talked about our outdoor living space, but another really good upgrade that you will appreciate and buyers will appreciate is a separate office area. You see that this house has an office set up with a little sunroom. There's some nice skylights, windows, nice little secluded office area, so the homeowners can get away and work, and then when they get off of work, they can go back to their house and have a separate area. Tip number 3 for selling homes now during the current market and current pandemic, it's really recommended that you have separation of space. Again, this house that I'm using as an example has really good separation. They have these folding walls that we can put up temporarily and give people, personal space where they can work. They can just not see everything that's happening on the outside world and just give a little bit of privacy when we're all stuck inside the home. So separation of space is number 3. Okay, so step number 4 is create a space for a home gym. Now this house doesn't allow for a permanent home gym area, but it does have kind of some ample space to move around. Everything is put in this designated chest. We have our foam rollers, we have our sit-up and yoga mat here. Got some exercise bands, got some weights, do a little working out at home, and then we put everything away in the chest when we're finished. But anyway, that's really important. Get your home gym. We're upstairs at the additional dwelling unit, or also known as a granny unit. So if you have one, upgrade that, clean it up, spruce it up. It's a really, really good selling point in today's market. Step number 6, the laundry room. Spruce it up a little bit. People like to see that you're clean people, so in a clean house, especially during the pandemic. So just shine it up a little bit before you show, and you're good to go.